In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate audio clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to quickly reuse the same audio clip in your project, DaVinci Resolve makes it very simple. Duplicating an audio clip can be useful when you need the same sound effect, music section, voice clip, or any other piece of audio to appear more than once on your timeline. The good news is that this only takes a few clicks. To get started, go to the audio clip you want to duplicate on your timeline. Make sure you click directly on the clip so it is clearly selected. This is important because DaVinci Resolve needs to know exactly which audio clip you want to copy before you move on. Once the clip is selected, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, choose Copy. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy the selected audio clip. This is often the faster method, especially if you are doing this repeatedly while editing. After copying the clip, move to the place on the timeline where you want the duplicate to appear. You can right-click in that area of the timeline and choose Paste from the menu. If you like keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press Ctrl and V to paste the clip instead. When you paste, DaVinci Resolve will create a duplicate of that original audio clip in the timeline. This helps you save time because you do not need to re-import the file or manually rebuild the same section again. Just copy once, paste where needed, and continue editing. As a quick tip, before pasting, take a second to make sure your playhead or selected area on the timeline is where you want the duplicated clip to go. That can help you keep your timeline organized and avoid placing the audio in the wrong spot. If that happens, you can always undo it and paste again in the correct location. That's all it takes to duplicate audio clips in DaVinci Resolve. Select the audio clip, copy it, then paste it wherever you need it on the timeline. It's a simple workflow, but it can make your editing process much faster and smoother.